You're a heathen, Mr. Schiff. You really are unreal. You're more crooked than Pelosi. Yes, we all know the deal, Mr. Schiff. You're a radical communist with Joseph Stalin's zeal. You're a con man, Mr. Schiff. Your head's an empty skull. Your colleagues, they are roaches. You've got a Lenin soul, Mr. Schiff. If you were to run for president, you'd get 54 electoral votes. You conspire, Mr. Schiff. You have such a wicked grin. You have all the signs of gayness, just like Richard Simmons, Mr. Schiff. In fact, the last time that I saw you two, his balls were slapping your chin. You're so rotten, Mr. Schiff. Like a stinky skid row drunk. Your policies are worthless shit. Your ideas, they are junk, Mr. Schiff. The three words that best encapsulate you are as follows, and I quote: fake, fag, punk. You're a scoundrel, Mr. Schiff. You're the queen of liberal bliss. Your brain's a soft tomato. Yes, an IQ you ain't got, Mr. Schiff. Your name is synonymous with scum, compounded with the most dishonest agenda of communist garbage ever conceived. Don't forget your COVID shot. We really hate thee, Mr. Schiff. And your party, they just lost. You love Schumer, Ilhan Omar. Yes, the Taliban's your boss, Mr. Schiff. You're a limp-noodled spaghetti and meatball moron with Gorbachev sauce.
On the day Donald Trump leaves office, the Justice Department may indict him.
Very strongly in favor of indicting the president when he is out of office.
I don't think the incoming president should be threatening his political opponents with jail time. That's not the kind of talk we should hear from a president in a democracy.